let's move on to other stories. The Kaneshie Hospital has resumed work after it was closed down yesterday due to flooding. The hospital was among several facilities, including homes, vehicles, bridges and major roads, which were swept off by the rains in Accra on Tuesday. My colleague Ernest Ahimfo went back to the Kaneshie Hospital Polyclinic this morning to ascertain the situation there and joins us live in the studio. Ernest, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. You did a great job yesterday. What did you find today?
Well, in order to paint the accurate picture, I would want to put in perspective yesterday's.
What happened yesterday?
So yesterday, as at the time that I got there around 9:15. The place was very muddy. The entire facility was flooded. I understand that the flood came from the Gamanche Palace. That is a wall dividing the facility, the hospital facility, and the Gamanche Palace. It got broken, and then the water gush through that end, through to the facility.
Yeah.
So the entire place was flooded. Yesterday, the emergency ward, the OPD, the children's department, everywhere was flooded. So I saw the staff who were actually trying to clear the place themselves. I was told that they had called the NADMO officials to come in to help them salvage the situation. But when they came in, they told them that they are going to, as it were, rescue other people.
Okay.
So then they will come back. I was there till 12, and they were still not back. So I came back to the studio. But this morning, I went there for the aftermath to see what was happening. And I must commend the staff members. They've done a very fantastic job. They've cleared the place. And healthcare delivery service was ongoing from the OPD department. You could see that a lot of people were there being attended to. I proceeded to the emergency ward to see the current situation, and the place was also cleared. I saw even some patients in there. I went to the pharmacy office. Even though they've lost some drugs, they had been able to clear the place, and then they were doing their work as they should. However, authorities didn't want to speak. They wouldn't allow us to speak to any of the patients there. But I was told that the AMA mayor had been there and promised to solve the situation in the shortest possible time this morning. So healthcare delivery right now at the Kaneshie Polyclinic is ongoing.
It's ongoing. But yesterday we were unable to tell whether there were some patients on admission and where they had sent them to. Were you able to get that information?
Yes, so I asked, but then no answer will be given. Because at the time that I went there, I didn't see any patient there. So it presupposes that maybe if they had, they would have relocated them to other hospitals.
Other hospitals.
Because the place and then the nature of the hospital at the time wasn't conducive enough for the delivery of healthcare. Yes. I saw some patients yesterday who were very angry. Some were coming in expecting to be attended to them immediately, but then look at the situation.
They were tender.
The staff are actually engaged in cleaning the place, so you wouldn't even want to be treated in such a condition.
In such an environment.
Yeah, but this morning, they've done a very good job. The delivery of healthcare is ongoing at the moment.
Okay,
I think
and
everyone
patients are
being
taken care of.
Yes, please.
And as I info, thank you so much for your time.